Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? I asked y'all in my last video if you wanted to see another look with the Blend Bunny Cosmetics All Done Up palette, which I don't know if y'all noticed, but I definitely thought this said All Dolled Up palette and I kept calling it the wrong name. But I got several comments that you guys wanted to see another look with this, so I thought let's do it today. Here's the thing though, I am being a little bit chaotic. I need to be on my way out for brunch in less than 20 minutes and I don't have any makeup on. So yeah, we're just gonna do it. We're gonna do our makeup really fast together. We're gonna do another look with the All Done Up palette. I think today I might focus on this row just because it's giving me those brunch vibes. And although I'm dying to use this row right here, or this column technically, that's giving me like smoky date night vibes. So we might hold off on that look for now and go here. So far, I went ahead and added some moisturizer for hydration. And then I also added some sunscreen. And I'm gonna go into the L'Oreal Paris Skin Paradise Water Infused Tinted Moisturizer shade. Ooh, Fair 01, you can barely see it. The back is almost like completely worn off. But I just thought I'd use this because it blends in really fast. So I felt like this would be a good fast foundation or tinted moisturizer technically. So just gonna go ahead and blend that in. It's so pretty. The funny part of this is that I'm meeting my sister for brunch today and like I can already feel that I'm probably gonna be late, and she is the person who is always early everywhere no matter what. Really, right now? Sir. For concealer, I'm gonna go into the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer in the shade Cloud. Honestly, the real reason I'm using it is because it's right in front of me. And I think that's all I'm gonna conceal today. I just wanna add a little brightness underneath the eyes. Just blending that in with my Anissa Beauty Concealer Brush, which is my favorite. I also grabbed the culprit, the noisiest little kitten. Do you have anything to say for yourself? Next, I'm gonna go into the Rare Beauty Power Boost Bronzing Stick because I'm Team Selena. Then just blending that in with my foundation brush. Just blends it so beautifully. I definitely don't have time to do my hair either, so it's a bun vibe today. Why am I like this? So I have a bunch of melt blushes in front of me. Let's see, which one do I want to go for? Maybe, let's do Honey Thief. I feel like she is a classic little pinky peachy moment. Plus the pigmentation and blendability and fastness of applying it is what I'm all about. And then the highlighter right in front of me is the La Costa highlighter from LMR, which you guys know, like I'm literally always talking about this. And it's funny because I feel like no one else is. Like I just rarely hear people talk about this highlighter and it's genuinely so good. Just gonna add a little bit of a glow on top of all that. A little on my nose. We're doing okay on time. Not great, not terrible. I need to do something to my brows real quick. Honestly, this is gonna be another little 5-minute Blend Bunny look, but I'm not mad at that. Like, I feel like this is realistic. We don't all have 2 hours to do our makeup every time. Like, if I did, I would absolutely be slaying, but I do not. I'm gonna use the Alter Ego eyeshadow primer. Just throw a little bit on. I'm gonna start off with the soft peachy shade Close Up on a fluffy brush. And I'm just gonna put that through my entire crease. Ooh, she's cute. That's actually a little bit more vibrant than I thought it was gonna be. Based on the swatches, I thought it was like a little bit softer, but that's cute. I think it's gonna peek out really pretty from underneath the brown that I add next. Currently, we have 7 minutes left. But that's not really accurate because I have to put shoes on. I'm gonna take a little bit of close up on a pencil brush and just throw that probably along the entire lower lash line just to make it easy. Now let's grab the shade Pouty, and I'm gonna start off with the pencil brush and just slightly deepen up the outer half of the lower lash line. Just a little bit. And then let's see, we can go in with a tiny little blending brush, which I actually didn't mention this one. This is the 211 from BK Beauty that I didn't use in the last video. I had it to the side and I missed it, but it's actually a really good, like, precise little blendy brush size. I'm all about it. So just gonna go ahead and add that into the outer V, and then whatever's left over, I'm gonna slightly bring into the crease. She's cute, she's blending, she's doing what she needs to do. I'm gonna go back in with the previous brush, just over top real quick. And then just for the sake of it, I really do want to use the complete row. So I'm also gonna take the shade Ready, which is kind of ironic because I'm not. And we're just gonna add just a little tiny bit more depth into the outer V. And then again, just kind of blending that out as fast as we can. I might even go in with just a touch more close up, that peachy shade that we used first, just to go over top. Sometimes this is one of my favorite ways to like pull a look together, is just go in with that first shade if it was pretty light and just go over everything. For the inner corner, I know I did this last time, but I kind of want to go into the light yellow again. I just really liked it, the shade Features. I feel like it's just like this cute little pop of something different for the inner corner. I don't know, I think it's adorable. Maybe it's just because I've been doing boring inner corners for a hot minute now. I'm using boring loosely. Like, I like a good highlighted inner corner, but I haven't done any fun colors or anything. And I haven't really been doing matte inner corners either, so that's cute. Last but not least, let's go into the pink shade, the Pink Shimmer Wink. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit on my finger, and oh my goodness, just gonna pop that all over the lid. It's so pretty. So sparkly. Okay, you guys, we did this look in literally like 3 minutes. That's pretty good. Like, I feel like if this was any other brand, I would not have been willing to film this video and do it so fast, but I knew it was gonna work out. So I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift just to add some mascara. And honestly, you guys, I really like this mascara, like, for the way that it looks on the lashes and like the volume, the length that it gives. It's a very, very black. Like, I feel like it has a lot going for it, but it's one of those mascaras that is so annoying to come off. Like, when I wash my face, I just have to keep going and going and going with makeup remover to get all of the mascara off. It does not want to leave my lashes, which I don't really love that. So I'm kind of torn on how I feel about the mascara. Like, that's my favorite thing about the Thrive mascara, is that it's really beautiful on the lashes. It does cost a little bit more, but when you want to take it off, it comes off. You don't even need makeup remover. Like, it's just the best. Whereas this, like, I'm telling you, I took this off in the shower the other day and I looked in like I have this little shower mirror that works like for shaving or like whatever, and you just like use water and it will get all the steam to come off. It's super cool, but I like looked in the mirror and it was literally a jump scare because I had mascara like, I don't think it's ever been worse. Okay, so there's the look. We are cute, we are vibing. I'm gonna go into the L'Oreal Glow Paris Beige Eden 180 lipstick. It's a little peachy moment. I feel like it goes. And there we are. This is the look. I'm obsessed with Blend Bunny. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will definitely do a smoky date night moment with this next, I promise. Well, maybe not next, but very, very soon. I think I want to do a favorites video for February because we love alliteration. So that's everything. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.